Okay, so I bought baby a new play tent, like a camping site tent or a little reading tent. Here are the instructions. It's kind of like a very basic teepee, I think, but there are all these pieces here. Can you show people the pieces? What do we have? We have some long cylinders, and we also have some kind of topper here. Don't know what that is. Anyways, it comes in this really nice zippered canvas bag. Let me just open this up. And here were those pieces, and this feels like the bottom mat. And there's some poles in here. I'm gonna pull everything out and then we'll see how to put this together. Okay, so this is what was inside the package. It looks like wooden dowels. And there's a mat here on the bottom. I think it's a mat, but I don't know, but it's so soft. It's like petting a super soft, what do you call them, chinchilla? But I'm pretty sure this is not real fur, but it's so soft. I love it. Okay, let's just finish unrolling and see. Oh, maybe this is the tent part. That's cool. Okay, let me unroll this and then we'll see what all the pieces are. Pretty sure this super soft thing is the mat, since it's connected here, and there are a little bit of like grippies on the bottom, very tiny grippies. And then yeah, so this is actually going to be a pretty big tent. I don't know why there are so many dowels. I would think there would only be 3. It looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so maybe 2 per thing. Interesting. Okay. Well, should I read the directions? Probably. Oh, cool. So there is a muslin cover, and then there is this really soft faux fur mat. Cool. Okay, so hopefully you can see a little better. This is how big the bottom piece is. Oh, quite a lot bigger than I thought it would be. But really good quality materials. The wooden dowels are like solid. I can see why this tent was a bit on the more expensive side. It was about $60. It also comes with lights and a stuffed animal, and I think something else. I forget exactly, but yeah, I got this for half off though because my friend sent me a coupon code. I'm not sure if it's still active, but I'll try to include it in the description below. So in total, this was about $30. Totally worth it if I can just figure out how to put this together. Okay, so it looks like we have to connect the 2 poles together. One pole is different because it already has like a silicone rubber ending here. And then on the other end is a screw type end that we use this piece to screw on here on one side, and then we take the other side pole, this other side that also has a screw, and screw it onto the other end, therefore making a super long tent pole. So this tent will be pretty tall and pretty big. Yeah, do you see how long that pole is? So I'm gonna finish putting the poles together and then we'll get on to the next step. Okay, this is taking longer than I thought. Basically, there are some slots for you to run the poles up, and then there's a screw up there that I just can't get to fit. So, I don't know. Comes with like little egg lights, and it has this clear case, which is cool. Batteries are not included, but when you flip this switch, it lights up these little crackled eggs. So cute. And also comes with like little kind of like velcro-y stars and rabbits that you can just stick on the sides of the tent. And it comes with a stuffed animal rabbit that is kind of like a rattle. I'll show you that in a second. Here it comes with this little super cute rattle rabbit that you can hang. I think I'm gonna give this to my niece though. So cute. Hey, come on in. So This is what the little cute egg lights look like.
It's no dingle.
Yeah. We're inside the tent now, and there are 2 pockets by the window here, and there are 2 pockets on the outside. So these are the little rabbits that kind of just stick. Let me find a colorful one. There we go. Oops. Okay, so here is this little rabbit, and I believe it just kind of sticks. No, it doesn't. Maybe only on the outside. No, okay, maybe only on the outside. It sticks on the outside, and then there are rabbits and little stars like this. Oh, okay. Oh, you're putting rabbits and stars on the tent? Okay, go ahead. Here is the tent. I did not build it correctly. There's supposed to be, so the screw I couldn't figure out where it's supposed to go. It's like a stabilizer in the middle, but I can't get it to fit, and it's just too much trouble. So yeah, it's a lot more easily collapsible if I don't put that in, but like it's not gonna fall on its own. It's pretty stable, and there are the egg lights. We put some 2 little like furry cushions in there to make it comfortable, and this bottom, like I said, is so soft.
Boy, you can.
So cute. And the canvas is very breathable, and it does still let light in, so that's super cool. And right now he's having a blast, just like throwing all the rabbits and stars all over the place and sticking them on me, on the tent, on his head. So cute. But yeah, this is a cool, cute little play tent. I think it's good for boys and girls, and it's super aesthetic, and it will most likely match any kind of home decor you have in your house. So I love the neutral tones and the fact that it came with so many accessories. So yeah, so he's putting these bunnies on me right now, and yeah, came with bunnies, lights. It comes with everything you need, even that little stuffed animal toy. Definitely worth $30 since I got it half off. Again, I will try to put the coupon code in the description along with the link on Amazon to see if you want to purchase it yourself, and hopefully the coupon code works. But if not, I can see why this cost $60 originally, because everything is really good quality. And yeah, it was a little bit of a pain to build, but that's because I didn't read the instructions. I read the instructions after, and I was like, oh, that would have been a lot easier. So yeah, read their directions and follow those. But yeah, definitely happy with the purchase. Baby, do you like your new camping tent? Yes or no?
I do.
Great. Okay, have fun.